Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, scrolling through your phone, when suddenly your fluffy feline companion opens its mouth and insults you. That's right, folks. In a twist straight out of a bizarre comedy, cats across the country are inexplicably learning to talk. Her cat, Mr. Whiskers, sauntered into the kitchen, as usual. But instead of his typical meow, he looked Sarah dead in the eye and said, "Nice bedhead, loser." But here's the kicker. They're only spewing insults. But as the day progressed, it became clear that Mr. Whiskers had indeed found his voice, and boy was it snarky. Tom Peterson's Tabby called him a pathetic excuse for a human, while Emily Chen's Persian informed her that her cooking tasted like regret. Theories ranged from alien interference to a bizarre side effect of a new brand of catnip. "Sure, it hurts when Fluffy calls me a brainless biped," said Mark Thompson, a software engineer from Seattle, "but I have to admit some of her burns are pretty creative. So the next time you hear a meow, brace yourself. It might just be the start of a scathing critique of your life choices." Welcome to the new reality, where your biggest critic might be curled up at the foot of your bed, plotting its next verbal assault. It's like living with a tiny, furry insult comic. Some embrace the challenge, engaging in witty banter and trying to out-insult their cats. Others were left questioning their life choices, wondering if they should have gotten a goldfish instead. Whatever the cause, one thing was clear. Life with cats would never be the same. It wasn't long before social media exploded with videos of cats dropping sick burns on their unsuspecting owners. From critiquing Sarah's fashion choices to mocking her Netflix binge-watching habits, Mr. Whiskers seemed determined to verbally destroy his owner's self-esteem. It all started on a quiet Tuesday morning when Sarah Johnson, 32-year-old accountant from suburbia, was sipping her coffee and preparing for another mundane day at the office. Sarah nearly choked on her coffee, convinced she was hallucinating. Word spread quickly as other cat owners reported similar experiences. Animal behaviorists and linguists alike were baffled. How had cats suddenly developed the ability to speak? And more importantly, why were they all so mean? Meanwhile, dog owners watched from the sidelines, smugly petting their loyal, nonverbal companions. As the phenomenon continued, cat owners found themselves in a constant battle of wits with their furry frenemies. Pet stores reported a surge in sales of noise-canceling headphones and self-help books on building self-esteem. Despite the emotional toll, many cat owners admitted that life had become far more entertaining. As researchers continue to investigate this bizarre phenomenon, one thing is certain: the world of pet ownership has been turned upside down.